Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. Your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar is back again with interesting and amazing update. We have heard that government has reduced GST on real estate from 12% to 5%. Whoa! Whooping 7% reduction in GST. So does it mean is it the right time to go and buy a house? Well, let's analyze. So let's first understand what really was GST on real estate. Till date, we understood that a builder would give you a flat at, let's say, 100, on which he would charge you 12% GST. Of course, he's going to deduct the rebate for land construction and other things and would charge you the GST on the value addition done by him. As against that, he was able to claim input tax credit for all the raw materials purchased in the construction phase. That means when a builder purchased cement, steel, plumbing equipments, flooring, etc., whatever GST he would pay to the vendor or the supplier of all these materials, he would claim that as credit. So effectively, he would pay GST only on the value addition done by him. However, in the recent amendment brought out by the government, where government has reduced GST from 12% to 5%, appears to be more like a move to protect revenue rather than giving benefit to the end consumer. Now you may feel that how is it possible? Because the rate has actually gone down by 7%. Let me explain. The builder now, when he charges 5% GST to the house buyer, will not be able to get any credit of the cement, steel and other equipments purchased by him. So effectively, whatever he collects from the home buyer as GST, he has to pay it to the government. So what is going to happen is that this will entail to two things. One is all the GST credit which he was getting when he was buying material from registered vendor, which was offset to the tune of 18% in steel and 28% in cement, now adds up to his cost. That means builder will be forced to increase the base price of his house to adjust the inflated cost. Second, also in affordable home buying or affordable housing, the GST rate has gone down from 8% to 1%, but again without the input tax credit being made available to the builder. So what is going to happen is that the net effect is that the end buyer would have very little or no benefit of this reduction, because effectively by reducing the rate and correspondingly disallowing the input tax credit, builder is left with almost practically the similar situation as he was in earlier. One more point which government may be slipped out, or I don't know how they have factored it, is that now builder will no longer be forced to purchase his raw materials from a registered vendor, simply because an unregistered vendor without invoice may be able to offer materials cheaper to him, and hence there is a big danger that the real estate industry would move back to old practices and the transparency which had recently started to come in the sector would again look in the southward direction. What do you think about this change? How has this affected you? Are you going to buy a house now, or have you postponed your decision after looking at this video? Do let me know in the comment section, and yes, press the bell icon so that you can watch my videos the moment they are uploaded. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, our channel Finance Tube.